Are you prepared for an emergency at your workplace? Regular inspections of first aid kits are essential for maintaining safety and compliance. Discover how a structured approach ensures readiness and meets health regulations. Begin by recording the date, location, and inspector's name for documentation. Assess the condition of the first aid kit container for any damage. Ensure it is clean and intact. Verify the presence of an up-to-date first aid manual. Check for required forms like accident reports. Stock adhesive bandages and sterile gauze pads for wound care. Include antiseptic wipes and solutions for cleaning. Ensure scissors and tweezers are available as essential tools. Disposable gloves and CPR face masks are necessary for emergencies. These basics are crucial for immediate treatment. Include antibiotic ointment and hydrocortisone cream for advanced wound treatment. Stock burn gel or dressing for burns. Ensure a thermometer and splint materials are available. Instant cold packs are essential for injuries. Emergency medications like analgesics and antihistamines are crucial. Correct. Eye wash solutions and sterile eye pads are needed for eye protection. Space blankets and emergency blankets help with shock treatment. Disposable gloves are part of personal protection equipment. Additional PPE may be required by safety standards. These items ensure comprehensive safety measures. Check expiration dates systematically and replace expired products. Verify inventory against the list to find missing items. Document all findings and actions taken. Ensure the checklist is signed and dated. This process is vital for compliance tracking. Through regular inspections and immediate restocking, you maintain emergency readiness. Customize checklists to meet specific workplace needs. This ensures that your first aid kit is always prepared for any incident, safeguarding employee safety and regulatory compliance.